Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to see you again. I hope you have been practicing vowels K line and S line from our last lesson. Today we are going to continue our hiragana journey with three more essential lines, the T line, N line and H line. By the end of this video, you will know 15 more hiragana characters, bringing you total to 30 characters. You are already more than halfway through the basics, so grab your pen and paper and let's jump right in. If you take vowels and add T at front of them, you will get the T line. But T line has couple of special pronunciations. Notice that T becomes Chi and Tu becomes Tus in Japanese.
た、た、
The pronunciation of character Ta in Japanese is the combination of TAH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a horizontal line at the top. From the left side, draw a vertical line downward. Add a curved stroke on the right side, swooping down and ending with a small hook. Draw a small horizontal line through the middle right area.
ち、ち、
The pronunciation of character Chi in Japanese is a combination of CHEE in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a horizontal stroke at the top. From the middle left, draw a curved line that sweeps down and curves back slightly.
つ、つ、
The pronunciation of character Tus in Japanese is a combination of TSOO in English. Let's see how to write it. From below, draw a large curved stroke that loops around like a side waves.
て、て、
The pronunciation of character te in Japanese is something like the combination of TEH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a horizontal line at the top, curving slightly downward at the right end. From the middle left area, draw a curved stroke downward ending with a small loop. The pronunciation of character to in Japanese is the combination of TOH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a short vertical line at the top. Draw a curved stroke that starts from the middle, curves around like a backward C, and ends with a small hook at the bottom. If you take vowels and add N at front of them, you will get the N line.
な、な、
The pronunciation of character Na in Japanese is something like the combination of NAH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a horizontal line at the top, add a vertical line on the left side going downward. Add a curved stroke in the middle area like a small loop. Add a final curved stroke on the right, swooping down to the left.
に、に、
The pronunciation of character Ni in Japanese is the combination of NEE in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a horizontal line at the top, add a curved line from the top left, sweeping downward and curving to the right. Add another curved stroke parallel to the second stroke.
ぬ、ぬ、
The pronunciation of character No in Japanese is something like the combination of NOO in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a small curved stroke at the top left. From the middle, draw a large looping stroke that curves around and ends with a hook at the bottom right.
ね、ね、
The pronunciation of character Neh in Japanese is something like the combination of NEH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a short horizontal stroke at the top left. Add a curved vertical stroke from the top going downward. Add a large looping curve on the right side. Finish with a small hook at the bottom.
の、の、
The pronunciation of character No in Japanese is something like the combination of NOH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a single smooth spiral stroke starting at the top left, curving downward in the circle and ending in the center. If you take vowels and add h at front of them, you will get the h line. H line has another special pronunciation who becomes fu in Japanese.
は、は、
The pronunciation of character ha in Japanese is something like the combination of hah in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a short horizontal stroke at the top. Add a curved stroke below it on the left side. Draw a looping curved stroke on the right side ending with a small hook.
ひ、ひ、
The pronunciation of character he is something like the combination of HEE in English. Let's see how to write it. Add a curved stroke like a U through the middle, like you are drawing a sideways smile.
ふ、ふ、
The pronunciation of character fu in Japanese is something like the combination of FOO in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a small curved stroke at the top. From the left side, draw a vertical line downward. Add a curved stroke on the right side. Finish with a small loop at the bottom right.
え、え、
The pronunciation of character he in Japanese is something like the combination of HEH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a diagonal stroke going top left to the bottom right like a gentle slide.
ほ、ほ、
The pronunciation of character ho in Japanese is something like the combination of HOH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a short horizontal line at the top. Add a vertical stroke on the left going downward. Add a curved stroke in the middle, finishing with a looping curve on the right side. Let's practice.
た、た、ち、ち、つ、つ、て、て、と、と、な、な、に、に、ぬ、ぬ、ね、ね、の、の、は、は、ひ、ひ、ふ、ふ、え、え、ほ、ほ、
Now let's practice with hiragana characters only.
た、た、ち、ち、つ、つ、て、て、と、と、な、な、に、に、ぬ、ぬ、ね、ね、の、の、は、は、ひ、 き、ふ、ふ、え、え、ほ、ほ、
Let's use what you have learned. Here are some real words.
父、父、
Means father.
土、土、
Means soil and earth.
手、手、
Means hand.
夏、夏、
Means summer.
猫、猫、
Means cat.
花、花、
Means flower and nose.
人、人、
Means person.
船、船、
Means ship and boat.
星、星、
Means star. Try reading and writing these words multiple times. You have just learned 15 more hiragana characters. You now know 30 out of 46 basic characters. That's amazing progress. Keep practicing these daily, write them, say them out loud, and try to use them in words. In our next video, we will cover the M line, Y line, R line, and W line, which will complete your basic hiragana knowledge. If you are enjoying this series, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notification so you don't miss the next lesson. Keep up the great work. See you in the next video. Matane!